Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna be going through how you can find out what your product's Amazon fees is gonna be and what's your profit margin gonna be. So this way you guys can decide whether or not this product is profitable and you can make money and decide if you guys want to sell that product. It's a really short video, but it's a really important one, especially for beginners. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, as usual, I'm going to be using my prime example, the cup lids. I don't know why, but this was the first product idea I thought of when I was starting to sell on Amazon, so it just stuck with me. But let's say you guys want to sell cup lids and you want to know how much your profit is going to be. So let's say you're also selling them for $11. So firstly, what you have to do is go to Chrome extensions and search up FBA calculator. And then you're gonna choose this one. I already added to Chrome, but you guys have to add it to Chrome. And close your browser, open it again, and then you're gonna go here and go to the product you want to sell. So let's say cup lids, and you want to sell it for $11. What you're gonna do is come here and press EMZ Scout. Then you're gonna enter the product cost. Now to find out the product cost, you have to go to Alibaba and search up cup lids. And you come here, you're gonna press this. Let's say this is the exact same product. So let's just say we get this for 0.8 and also it ships for, I don't know, but let's say with shipping it will cost me $2 per unit, which is reasonable. So we're gonna come back and go here and enter $2. So right here you can see the Amazon fees and storage fees, everything like that, and it comes down to 4.86. So your margin is going to be 4.3 and your return on investment, this doesn't really matter. This looks at how many products is sold, so just ignore these, just look at the profit margin. So you're gonna make $4.13 after all the expenses. So from this you guys can decide if this product is profitable or not. Personally, I wouldn't go for it because it's $2 with shipping and everything. And also you have to account for PPC, so maybe you're gonna be paying for $3 per purchase. That brings down your profit margin to $1, or it could be even higher. So you guys have to really look at whether or not it's worth it or not. And you also have to look at the competition. If there's a lot of competition, then your PPC is going to be higher, but if there's barely any competition and a lot of sales, then you can sell the product because your PPC is going to be really low and you'll also be making sales. So you really have to do your product research. However, you can use this tool and find out how much profit you're going to be making. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I know it's a short one. I really didn't have a video idea for today and I didn't want to miss the daily upload, so I just wanted to help beginners out. So subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March, and leave a like. Let's try to go for 5 likes. Comment down below if you guys have any questions about FBA or anything like that. I'll be happy to help you guys out. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.